Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find unique rows in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some entries are duplicate and some entries is unique. So let's start how it's find it. Simply select the cell inside the data, then use the Control A to select the entire data, then go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the Conditional Formatting drop down arrow, then click on the highlight cells rules, then click on the duplicates values. And here you see the duplicates values dialog box is open. Just click on the first option and here you can see there are two options, duplicates and unique. So in this video, I'm going to find the unique data. Just click on the unique and here you see the unique row is a find. Okay. After that, value with the color. So you can select here the different colors. So I select here yellow. See the changes over here. So just click on OK. Found the unique rows. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.